G'day viewers. Today I'm going off to Great Keppel Island. So I had a look around. The two ferries that are going over there, and it costs 50-60 bucks, whatever. And then you organise your snorkeling trip while you're there, and your lunch, and maybe another tour or something. But I found, and they're quite big ferries, so there's a lot of people on them. But I found a tour group that has 12 seats to a boat, and it's a private tour, so you get to go to 6 different snorkeling destinations, different beaches that you don't normally go to with the other when you go across on a ferry, and there's sea caves, all that sort of thing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that one. It's $180. Yeah, it's a little bit more pricey, but for a private tour, when you get to go and see all these things that a lot of people won't be seeing, that sounds pretty good to me. So we'll catch up when we get up there and hop in the boat and have some fun. I really can't wait. So this is our group, wearing plenty of attire. Feeling comfy?
Just making sure it is comfy. Feels a good lung exercise. Stretching your lungs.
Stretching them out. Beautiful day for it.
It's just forecast you say, or you don't like it.
Rock and roll time.
If you want to stay longer at a place, we'll just do that as well. So we just evolve the day around what you want to do and what you don't want to do. Makes life easy for everybody, I reckon. But the nature of the boat, we can get to places quickly and then spend a bit more time. So you just evolve it around. There's so many places to go and so many things to do.
Yeah, surprising amount of islands out there.
What's that?
How many islands is there out of here?
18 out here.
18.
Yeah. There's a lot of them are called rocks. But
yeah.
They count it as an island. You can jump out there, no worries. Alright, let's get out of here.
Just take the bloody things off.
Man overboard.
Oh no, there it is. We've got to get over the wake.
Thanks, Scotty.
That's supposed to be my hat.
Yeah, that's it. Hold on.
Yeah,
Well
mate.
done. We got it.
Everyone say hello. Yay! There you go.
Thanks, mate. So this is called Halfway Island. And in here you can camp. So I figure this is a good spot. Pitch a tent. Beautiful. Look at the water. How stunning it is. How beautiful is it? It's just stunning. Horrible water.
That sand dune, that's the largest middle site on Great Keppel Island. So yeah, from left to right, the whole thing, they just sit up under the shade of the trees and just, you know, they're only here for 1,000 years, they reckon. So it's all sand, but yeah, stuff like that, which is, you know, on the beach on the other side is alright. But and then as you go back to Mount Wyndham and then over to the right, see, there's a bit of a all across the top of that headland, it drops, the cliffs drop down pretty dramatically down the ocean. But yeah, from Mount Wyndham across to the next mountain range, all of that was Greg Norman designed a golf course. So they approved the Greg Norman designed golf course from there. It goes about 7 kilometres back through the islands, the old agricultural. And they, there was 706 star buildings going all the way around the outside of it. Yeah, big thing, big marina on the other side, and yeah, lots of different stuff. But they, he did.
Like your butt here from the wall. Fantastic. Oh yeah, right in front of us.
Trying to get a bit of shade. No, it's
Joined into it, don't they?
Yeah.
sorry guys.
There's three in.
Yeah,
Three there.
another one just up to the higher. Amazing climbers, aren't they?
Oh, incredible.
Huge, you think they'd slip.
Another one up here.
How does he get there?
How do you get down there? Yeah.
So agile. You just jump around.
So this is the resort that closed down. So it's been abandoned for, you know, so many years. And this poor old boat here is waiting for high tide to come in so we can float out. But yeah, let's go and have a quick look while we can at the old resort. Anyone out there ever stay here? Anyone remember what it used to look like? Nightclub there, I think, at one point.
Left-hand side, people that get off walk along the gangway, check in at the building at the top, and those spiral concrete columns with spiral staircases. Yeah, and you go down. Can you see the circular structure? Yep. You'll see it when you get closer anyway.
Yeah, the bottom there.
Yeah, that's the observatory part you'd stand in. There's a reef on the other side, which isn't as pretty as what you have seen. You got the turtle there?
Yeah, it's just down here.
Beauty. Straight over to the reef edge there.
See with your camera, probably.
sound of me. I'm sure
You can leave the jackets on too if you like, and we'll when we get off, we'll all walk up together to the van.